Today in this video we will see how to turn off autocorrection and auto replacement of text in Samsung phone. Go to settings here. Go to this option general management. Go to language and input. Go to this option on screen keyboard and select Samsung keyboard. Let me go to this option smart typing, and if you see here there is this option auto spell check. So if you enable this option, then what happens is if the spellings are wrong, then those will be underlined with red color. But if you are typing suppose in other language and not in English, then those also will be shown as incorrect word. So if you want to stop autocorrection, then disable this option. Also go back, and if you want to stop automatically replacement of the incorrect word, then what you do is go to this option auto replace and disable this option auto replace. Also, the other thing that you can do is you can also disable this option predictive text, so that you won't be suggested any word when you are typing. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.